Imagine a beast, a titan, a powerhouse. Picture a machine that can teleport you to different realms, let you experience different lives, and navigate through different dimensions. That's the potency of the gaming PC we're about to delve into today. The anticipation of unboxing a brand new gaming PC is akin to a child unwrapping their birthday gifts. The palpable excitement, the curiosity, the eagerness, it's all part of the experience. As we slide off the outer sleeve, the first thing that greets us is a sturdy, well-designed box. A simple yet sleek design with a minimalistic logo in the corner gives an impression of the power that lies within. The packaging is robust, ensuring the safety of the precious cargo inside. Lifting the lid off, we're greeted with the heart of the beast. The gaming PC itself, snuggled comfortably in foam cutouts designed to protect it from any external shocks. The machine is encased in a protective cover, keeping it pristine and dust-free. Next, we have the accessories compartment. Tucked neatly to the side, it houses the power cord, an HDMI cable, and a quick start guide. Each item is individually wrapped, showing a meticulous attention to detail that extends beyond the main product. Now let's get down to the crux of the matter, the gaming PC itself. The first impression is nothing short of impressive. The matte black finish, the LED lights, the well-placed ports, it's a sight to behold. The weight is substantial, a testament to the quality components housed inside. The key highlights of this gaming PC are its top-notch performance, stunning visuals, and immersive audio. The power it packs is phenomenal, capable of running the most demanding games with ease. The graphics are crisp, vibrant, and lifelike, ensuring a truly immersive gaming experience. The audio, with its clarity and depth, adds another layer to the gaming experience, making it even more captivating. One cannot overlook the cooling system. Its efficiency is commendable, ensuring the machine stays cool even under heavy loads. The noise level is surprisingly low, allowing gamers to focus on their games without any distractions. The cherry on top is the customizability. The ability to upgrade components, the customizable RGB lighting, the easy-to-use software interface, all these features empower gamers to tailor the machine to their liking. In conclusion, this gaming PC is a testament to what a gaming machine should be: powerful, immersive, and customizable. It offers a gaming experience that is unparalleled, a journey that is unforgettable, and a machine that is a gamer's dream come true. So whether you're a seasoned gamer or a newbie, this gaming PC is sure to elevate your gaming experience to a whole new level.